Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can update your Solflare app. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store on your phone. So here you can see I have opened App Store, and you can simply just tap on the search bar and start typing Solflare. If you have Play Store, you can also tap on the search bar and start typing Solflare. After typing Solflare, tap on the search button on your keyboard, and then here you can see the option of Solflare Solana wallet right here. Tap on it, and then you can see there is the option of open button right here. So if your app needs update, there you will be able to see the option of update. Right now my app does not require any kind of update, so there is the option of open. So if you see the option of update, simply just tap on update, and then your Solflare app will be updated within few minutes, and then you can see the option of open just like this. And if you want to open Solflare apps, you can simply just tap on this open option like this, and that is it. That is how you can update your Solflare app. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.